Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI ads platform called Plai. So let's dive into it. Talking about Plai is a simple yet powerful AI ad platform designed to make running campaign effortless in 2025. Its biggest advantages is the ease of use. You can launch ads across Google, Meta, TikTok, LinkedIn, and more with just a short description. The tools automatically generate creatives, targeting, and even adjust budgets to improve your performance. Agencies especially benefit from features like white labeling, client-ready reporting, and AI-powered ad copy. Ad in the ability to cut ad costs significantly while boosting conversions, and Plai stand out as a budget-friendly option for small business and marketing teams. On the downside, Plai has some limitation that may hold back advanced users. For example, report of system instability and inaccurate data reporting together with occasional integration glitches, especially with Google Ads, which can affect the campaign reliability. It's AI generated creative, while convenient aren't always as polished as custom design, and the platform lacks the deeper analytics and targeting control that bigger ads manager like Facebook ads managers or Google Ads provider can offer. So in short, Plai is the best option for those who want fast automated campaign, but powerful user handling complex strategies may find it too weak or find it too basic for their campaign. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.